Baby, you are my one and only.
Okay.
I'm not seeing any other girl. I will never see any other girl. As a matter of fact, you and I forever.
Okay, for that you just said, let me have a kiss.
Mm.
So are you trying to tell me that you're not seeing any other woman in this village?
I say you are my final bus stop. When I mean final bus stop, I mean final go. I will not see any other woman. I will never see any other woman.
Do you know why I'm trusting you?
Why?
I'm trusting you because of the way you've been to me all this while. But you know you guys changed, right?
No. I'm unchangeable.
I love you.
Nobody will ever notice little Nonya is here.
I am sorry.
Nonya, how are you?
I knew you would be here.
Where else will I be? Of course, a woman should be where her heart belongs.
Sorry, I cannot be happy for you, my friend.
Nonya, what are you saying? You're not happy for me. Are you saying you're jealous?
I cannot see myself being happy for my friend who has chosen to be with a nobody.
Nonya? Nonya, you mad? Are you stupid? What are you saying? Nonya, don't tell me you came all the way here to insult my man.
Baby, calm down.
Baby, did you even hear what she said now?
Was she referring to me?
Obviously.
No. Did you see any other person here who looks like Ofeke? A nobody.
Nonya, so you came to insult me in my house?
Hey, your house. Hey, do you have a house? So if they call out on men who have a house, you crawl out.
Baby, relax.
Chimamanda, I came to tell you something.
No man born of a woman in Umwenu can say that. What kind of story be this one now? Who even told them to say that?
Okudifo, remember you were talking about the elders, our fathers. So you should...
Excuse me, and so what? Is that the reason they should intimidate us like that?
Okay.
Hey!
My brother, calm down. You were not even there when everything happened. So who is feeding you with all these lies?
Even did you just speak now?
No, my shadow talk. Am I not supposed to speak? Am I dumb? I needed to talk so that we can redirect this meeting.
Yes. And who told you that you can open that hole in your face to talk when I am still speaking?
Hey. So I shouldn't talk because you are talking. Who are you? Village headmaster or our father?
Even if everybody want to talk when I'm still speaking, not you now.
Why? Am I a lesser human being? Why?
Because I am the son of the soil. A bastard like you cannot interrupt me when I'm still speaking. On a matter concerning our fathers. Do you even have a father?
Okudifo.
Okudifo. Okudifo. Okudifo. You are pushing me to the wall, and when I bounce back, I swear you will regret it.
Let me tell you something. Before you feel in this your big head, in our next meeting that you want to suggest something, you should first go and locate who is your father. That is, if you know who he is.
Hey!
Listen.
Calm down.
With this sound of whom I tell you that you are not man enough to challenge me. If you prove it otherwise, bring it down and let's end this here.
Okudifo, you went too far.
Bring it down!
You are insulting a man for a crime not commit. You know it's not right.
No problem.
Ifedima!
You went too far, honestly.
You went too far. Like
that. I don't like this. Somebody needed to tell him the truth. If you people are just hiding everything, I don't do that.
It's not fair, guys. It's not fair.
Tell him the truth like this.
Yes!
Okudifo, you're very wrong.
Go, if you don't know, you don't know what to say.
Wow, Okudifo, you went too far.
No, it's not like I don't want to borrow you those things. But my point is this. If I borrow you those things, which one will I use on that day? I also need them. I want to come out and perform. I need to show my skill on that dancing competition.
Fedima, but you know that contest is for the legitimate sons of this village. Do we know legitimate sons?
Nnamdi, what are you trying to say?
Do not misunderstand me. What I'm trying to say
No,
is that...
no, say no more. Your message is clear. I'm not a legitimate...
Fedima, no... Bro, someone now. Fedima, come!
Abasnami, I can be dangerous when I'm angry.
Believe you wake up, Woku. Eh? I didn't mean it that way.
Complete your statement now. That I'm not a legitimate son of Umwenu.
I don't mean it that way now.
I'm not here.
Fedima, I didn't mean it that way, oh. I didn't mean it that way.